Hello Garden Tube, the inconsistent gardener here, and today I'm going to tackle this section here. Anyway, you know the drill. Enjoy. Okay, so that one was pretty easy to clean up. It was mostly the Plumbago that fell down that I needed to tie back up. But let's look at it real quick. Okay, so you see my cyclamen down there? The hellebore in the back, more cyclamen. This is a fern I got from a client when I was a garden girl. So that's spreading out all over. And the ivy I got from my job was going to get thrown away. I mean, when I worked at Starbucks. See, it's starting to climb up there. I don't know if that's going to be okay or if I should cut that back. But for now, I'm going to leave it because it looks pretty. And then my creeping Jenny I thought was dead is not. So, might try to take some cuttings off of that. And I'm going to take some cuttings off the Plumbago because it's super easy to root. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching this episode with me, the inconsistent gardener. And I'll see you in the next video.